Self-help groups. This is the last topic of this chapter and the most important and very frequent asked question in the board from this chapter for 5 marks. So please understand properly. It's very easy. So talking about self-help group, this is a group specially made by the women in the very backward districts of our country. The condition is such that even for them saving 20 rupees, 30 rupees in a month becomes very difficult. So we can say their condition is like hand to mouth. That is, if they get the work, they have the food for the day. No work, no food. So that's why they are living in really below poverty line. So especially such groups are formed by the women. Normally in this type of group there are around about 15 to 20 members. The main objective of this group is to pool the savings of this group. That is, whatever the savings they have, these savings should be protected so that they can use this saving when they are in need. Generally, every month the members contribute 25 rupees to 100 rupees, or maybe depending on the financial condition of a person. Once the collection is being done, the group is eligible for getting the loan, and the loan is provided to the group members at a very low rate. We can say 1 or 2%. Once the group is having a good amount of saving in the bank, the group becomes eligible for getting credit from the bank, and this credit is issued in the name of the group, so that even later on if some member left the group can repay the loan very easily. Now why these credits are taken? These credits are needed for agriculture purpose. We can say for buying the agriculture inputs like high yielding variety of seeds, fertilizers, manure, etc. For marriages, they are very poor, and we see in the poor section of society, especially in our North India and East India, dowry system is there. So even for a poor person, dowry is very important. So to give that, for education purpose, no doubt our government has started free education, but still they need money for higher education. They need credit for setting up small business. Self-help group makes these poor section or the weaker section of the society self-reliant by themselves. Why? They are saving the money for themselves, and through this they are becoming self-reliant and self-disciplined. Every month there is a meeting carried out by the group, and in this meeting they discuss the various problems they are facing in their day-to-day life. Now problems like, it may be related to the health, like women's health. Then domestic violence. Very often we see women or the female section of our society is the victim of the violence, domestic violence. For education, so such social problems are discussed in the meeting, and that's why though the saving in this is very small, but कहते हैं ना बूंद बूंद से ही घड़ा बढ़ता है. So from a small saving a big saving is done, and that big saving makes them self-reliant and happy.